Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening camera and making immediate checks. Confirm iOS is updated and wipe the lens, dust kills sharpness. Once done, position your phone steady. Use a tripod or stabilize on a surface. Make sure live photo is off because it can interfere with long exposures. You'll notice night mode appears automatically in dim light. Don't wait, begin composing your shot now. Framing the subject and adjusting exposure by tapping on the main subject to set focus and meter. You now refine how night mode will capture the scene. Tap the night mode icon to reveal the exposure time slider and timer. Once visible, drag the slider to choose auto or a specific duration, 1 to 30 seconds, depending on light and motion. Make sure to hold the phone very still for longer exposures or lock it to a tripod. If you plan heavy editing, enable Pro RAW, but remember it increases file size. Otherwise, avoid flash, because it flattens low-light ambience. You're ready to capture. Press the shutter and keep the phone steady until the yellow progress indicator completes its long exposure. Once done, review the photo and use Edit to adjust exposure, contrast, and noise reduction for a cleaner result. If images come out blurred, make a quick fix. Increase exposure time slightly, stabilize the phone better, or raise ISO by switching lenses or using a higher sensitivity. Just be aware higher ISO can add noise. If night mode fails to appear, reduce ambient light or restart camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.